We're going to take a peek at tread wear here on the G310R. 15,407 miles. I'm running the original tires. Okay, these are the Pilot Street radials that come stock on the G310R in the US. So we come in and look at our tread wear bars, and you can see a healthy amount of tread remaining here. And what I like to do is come in just above these bars and take a reading. And we see on this tire, we've got 4 to 5 millimeters of coverage over the tread wear bars at 15,400 miles. That's pretty impressive to me.